In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate with Google Workspace in just 5 minutes. This will guide you through the process of efficiently using Google Workspace's tools to streamline your team collaboration and task management. So let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to open Google Workspace. This hub is where all of your tools are consolidated, allowing for seamless integration across various apps. Once you've navigated to the Google Workspace homepage, you'll need to access the Admin Console. Click on the Admin Console button, which serves as the central management interface for your business's Google services. Now it's time to log in using your business email. Input your email address, then proceed by clicking Next or Sign In. This step ensures that you are connected to your professional workspace, where collaboration and coordination are streamlined. With your credentials verified, look towards the top right of your screen for the Google Apps menu. Clicking here will present you with a suite of tools designed to boost productivity. From this menu, select Google Docs. Google Docs is a versatile word processing tool that allows for real-time collaboration, making it perfect for working together with your team. Once Google Docs is open, you can either create a new document or open an existing file. Now, having your document ready, we can now get into creating tasks. In your document, simply type @task, which will activate Google Docs Smart Chips feature. This intuitive function is designed to anticipate your organizational needs right within the document. Having typed @task, you'll need to click on the task suggestion that appears. This is where you start to break down your project into actionable items. Begin by typing in the title of the task. This should clearly state what needs to be done. Next, it's crucial to decide who is responsible for the task. In the task details, you'll have the option to add the person you intend to assign it to. This keeps accountability clear and assignments transparent for your entire team. Following this, you should set a deadline to keep the task in check. Add the date for when the task should be completed. It helps maintain focus and ensures timely completion by setting clear expectations. Lastly, conclude this process by clicking Assign as a Task. This action finalizes the task setup and integrates it with Google Tasks, providing a visual overview of all tasks and deadlines in your workspace. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to collaborate using Google Workspace, allowing you and your team to manage projects and responsibilities efficiently. This straightforward approach helps maintain clear communication and accountability, making your team's collaboration smooth and effective. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more practical tech tips.